Welcome to Lifestyle Mantras. Please do watch this video till the end and keep sharing.
देखो वक्त की कैसी माया, देखो वक्त की कैसी माया, मानवता पर संकट छाया। कैसा आज समय है आया, मानव मानव से घबराया। कैसा आज समय है आया, मानव मानव से घबराया। ठहर गया है क्यों जग सारा, धरती क्यों कर रही विलाप। ठहर गया है क्यों जग सारा, धरती क्यों कर रही विलाप। यही प्रश्न है सबके मन में, कैसे दूर करें संताप। शायद उसने मौन है तोड़ा, शायद उसने मौन है तोड़ा, मानवता को देने संदेश। समझें हम उसका संकेत, समझें हम उसका संकेत। जिसने बिन मांगे ही अब तक, जिसने बिन मांगे ही अब तक कितने ही उपहार दिए। युगों युगों से अब तक जाने कितने जीवन तार दिए। नदियाँ झरने बारिश की बूंदें, नदियाँ झरने बारिश की बूंदें, कैसे जग की प्यास बुझाते। खेतों में फसलों के दाने, खेतों में फसलों के दाने, हर क्षण कैसे भूख मिटाते। मीठे मधुर फलों के रस, हर मन को कैसे सुख पहुंचाते। मन भावन फूलों के उपवन, देखो कैसे मन हर्षाते। महके मंद पवन के झोंके, यूं ही मन को नहीं लुभाते। महके मंद पवन के झोंके, यूं ही मन को नहीं लुभाते। हरे भरे वृक्षों में देखो, पंछी कैसे नगमे गाते। तितली भंवरे कोयल जुगनू, क्यारी क्यारी उड़ते जाते। आसमान में झिलमिल तारे, धरती का यूं रूप सजाते। आसमान में झिलमिल तारे, धरती का यूं रूप सजाते। सोना पन्ना हीरे मोती, सोना पन्ना हीरे मोती, इनकी जगमग जगमग ज्योति। जीवन का हर सुख है पाया, जीवन का हर सुख है पाया, ऐसी धरती माँ की छाया। फिर मानव क्यों समझ न पाया, फिर मानव क्यों समझ न पाया, जाने कैसे सब बिसराया। शायद आज समय है आया, शायद आज समय है आया, करें भूल का पश्चाताप। नए सिरे से नई सुबह का, नए सिरे से नई सुबह का, रचना है स्वर्णिम इतिहास। हो मानवता का यही प्रयास, अब हो मानवता का यही प्रयास, रचना है स्वर्णिम इतिहास। Today is Earth Day and anything to help our planet is a perfect thing to do on this day and of course every day to make a positive difference to the environment. So start now, as it's going to take a lot of work and time to heal our planet. April 22nd, 2020 marks the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, which is annual celebration of environmental movement started in 1970 to grab the attention of public for the protection of our planet. Under normal circumstances, people around the world would be honoring the earth with Earth Day festivals and celebrations. But instead, COVID-19 pandemic has forced everyone to stay at home during lockdown. It gives us opportunity to think of creative ways to come together from home to celebrate planet Earth. It made us realize that our human health is deeply connected to the health of our planet. This is the time to get into new habits and making them lifestyle habits to take care of Earth and of course ourselves, as together we can make a huge difference for the betterment of the society. For the first time ever, Earth Day is going completely digital. The theme for Earth Day 2020 is climate change, which represents the biggest challenge to the future of humanity and the life support systems that make our world habitable. The time is now for citizens to call for greater global ambition to tackle the climate crisis. So, this year, we can celebrate Earth Day at home by eliminating plastic bags with reusable cloth bags, jute bags, or silicone storage bags. Plant something or connect with nature. You have many useful seeds in your kitchen if you can't go outside due to lockdown. Stay at home to support nation, to get rid of COVID-19 pandemic, and of course to support nature. Save energy. Reduce the use of electricity. Water is life. Save water. Stop wastage. Make a bird house. Set up a bird feeder. Feed ants and insects to improve ecological balance. Plant more and more flowers to attract honeybees and butterflies. Learn more about environment. It's a good time to make a commitment to learning more about environment and spreading awareness to the world through social media platforms. On current issues like water shortage, climate change, endangered species, and many more. Dress like a tree and wear green and brown. Take the opportunity to talk about Earth Day. Go creative, as this can be easily done at home. Make an artwork, a poster to create awareness, and whatever you like to do. As I celebrated my Earth Day 2020 by writing my poetic expression and making this video to create awareness. Benefits to the nature due to lockdown. Millions of commute no longer taking place across the world. So, unexpected improvement in air pollution has been recorded after stoppage of transportation and vehicles. Cleaner air and increased visibility. Due to reduction in particulate matter, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Ozone layer has shown remarkable improvement due to industrial breakdown. Oxygen level has remarkably increased in rivers, resulting in cleaner and clearer water. According to scientists, vibration in Earth have been noticeably decreased due to reduced noise pollution. Nature is reflecting its happiness itself as chirping birds, dancing dolphins, liberated wildlife, and twinkling stars in the sky.
Thanks for watching. Please tell us if the video was useful for you. Kindly subscribe the channel and ring the notification bell to get the information about new videos. Please do like, share and leave your comments in the comment box below to motivate us. We welcome your love and suggestions. Stay joyful, stay motivated. We help you to become the best version of yourself.